The HR manager.
Hello everyone, I am Neha and I am acting as the trade union leader.
Okay. So, the very first thing that I would offer to you is we really appreciate the kind of work employees are doing. So, the offer is that we can negotiate over the overtime payment. But in return, what we would require you all people to do is to follow the rules very strictly. Because in one way we are providing you for the overtime, we are opening the negotiations. So in return, what we require you is to adhere to the rules strictly.
The first thing which I would like to say is that first of all we are doing overtime for which we are not paid, and that is our authority. That is the
so we have opened the negotiation.
Yes. We should get that. Secondly, disciplinary rules. You are talking about the manufacturing line, and in manufacturing line there are workers. If you are expecting that all are educated and all will be acting in a discipline, then that is a very wrong thing. Each and every individual is different, and I know them personally, and I know them. If I say them, you sit here, you sit there, then that is not gonna work. That will create a riffle. We need to be little flexible with the workers. So disciplinary rule, I don't think so that now whatever is the current scenario in the industry is wrong. I feel that whatever is going on is right, and if any issue comes, then I'll be there to stand beside you.
So those issues, whenever they crop up, they appear, we lose on to the productivity of our manufacturing units and all. So what we require you is to make them understand that adhering to the rules is the most required thing at our end. Then only we can we can negotiate over the overtime payment. Otherwise, we are really sorry that we won't be able to do that, because we don't want our motto is to reduce the unproductive time. So you people need to make them understand that following the rules is the most important thing. Then only we can negotiate over the overtime payment.
The thing is, whatever rules you have laid down right now are very strict, and my employees are actually giving their 60 to 80% to follow those rules, and that I cannot ask them more out of it.
It's not that all or mostly all the employees are undisciplinary, are not following the discipline. Whoever is not doing that, you need to train them accordingly and work over them. Then only we can negotiate over the overtime payment, because we need something from your end also to
because of 2-3 people you cannot deny the fact that you have to give pay.
It's not only 2-3 people. It's not 2-3 people. It's like a handful, and because of them we are losing our profits.
You don't worry about the profits and all, because
as an organization we work only for profits. So we need to
showed the trust in me as a trade union leader, and I know how to handle my employees.
So if you are ready to assure that the rules will be followed, then we can talk about the overtime payment improvements. Then only you need to check out with your employees, then only we can do that. And for that, before...
What issues have you faced in the past of disciplinary, because of discipline, how your productivity has affected? I just want to know that.
Yes, whatever undisciplinary acts they indulge into, they don't focus on the work. The work is being hampered. Because of that, the output is being is not that much that we forecast or we promise to our
Look,
clients.
In disciplinary issue, I don't think they get into a fight, because my union is quite united and they don't fight. They just support each other. In the way to support each other, they might go like if they're not standing in line or something like that. I don't think that is affecting productivity at that level. If you will say them that you are supposed to be here, you are supposed to be there, and you need not to talk to each other, even in the middle of the time, they'll get irritated. They are in such a pressure, they are handling the the very groundwork, and because of that groundwork only we are getting our products. So we need to keep them happy, and for that we need to have a little bit of easiness in the living.
There is one kind of tuning that is not there in the employees, is that they are working for their own benefits. if they start working for the benefits of the organization, and that's the only way they can adhere to the rules. They will adhere to the rules. So if they are only working for their own benefits, they will indulge into these kind of issues and hamper the
I'm
productivity.
sorry, but the disciplinary things which you are expecting out of the workers are not should not be expected out of them. They are not at that level that they are educated and they should maintain that kind of discipline.
So I don't think then there should be any negotiations over the improvement of the pay package, just because if we see reflection of that improvement in the profits, then only we will be giving that. You need to come into our shoes also.
Look.
We are, as an organization, I'm working for the organization. I need to reflect my work in the profits. This is what the employee should also understand. So if they are indulging into the acts that are affecting that, I think there can't be any talk over the improvement of overtime pay.
The point is they are actually doing, if you won't come to an overtime pay, then they won't do overtime, then that will obviously reduce your productivity, because these my workers have raised the issue that we are working so hard for the organization so that we can maximize the productivity. They don't know about the
The
profits.
overtime pay is there.
Hmm.
Any improvement in that, we are saying, would be done when when the employees adhere to the rules. This is the requirement. You are asking us to increase the overtime. So that can only be done if you promise and if you ask your employees to train them in
But
certain
your
issues.
rules are very strict, and I would like to suggest you, because I have worked in this organization for years, that if you will make them follow these rules, then obviously there will be a riffle. They'll
Okay.
get irritated, and
Okay.
because of that irritation, the productivity
Okay.
will obviously go
Okay,
down.
we can do one thing. The next meeting we can plan on what are the particular rules that are having a problem, that you're facing a problem with.
Fine.
If those rules are really required to be adhered to,
Yes.
then I think we
Yes.
need to talk on that,
Yes.
and then only the overtime pay can be increased. So we need to first talk over the rules. The next meeting will be on the rules, and then only we can talk.
Why
about
are you
that.
mixing rules with the overtime pay?
Because when you provide something, you need you demand something in return. So this is what.
Just be genuine in your offerings, then I think everything will work out.
Okay, the being genuine can be talked about later, and we can talk on the list of rules also, and then we can negotiate over that first.
Okay,
and
fine. Then going to the canteen facilities, I would like to say that the canteen facilities are not quite good. They are humans, and they also deserve a particular kind of cleanliness.
Mhm.
Just because they are workers, it is not like the level of hygiene should not be maintained.
It is there. It
No,
is very
it is
much
not there. I have checked it myself. The utensils are not clean, and the food is cooked in a very
एक
raw way.
चीज पूछनी थी